First of all, salute all in the mighty name of the Lord Jesus Christ. Today I am going to talk to you on an important topic. This is my topic: No Walk with God. Enoch and Noah are the first two publishers mentioned in the Bible. They both walked with God. Every preacher did the same. God told Noah to build the ark, and Noah began to build it right away. He did not ask God who would pay for the ark. If he had asked God such a question, perhaps God would have said to him, "They want to give it to you." Have you ever heard God say that you have to pay out of your own pocket to do God's work? Many Christian ministers think that if they do God's work, someone else will pay for it. But Noah did not think so. He supported himself and his family and served God. He had to work extra hours to earn money while building the boat, and he did it happily. God needs such people today. If, as Jesus said, the last days are as bad as the days of Noah, then in the last days God will certainly need people like Noah, people like the Apostle Paul, who will serve God by running their own livelihood. People must have asked Noah how the animals would get inside. Noah knew that all these things belonged to God, not to himself. God miraculously took all the animals inside. Noah did exactly what Noah told him to do. So he built the ark. He left everything else to God. We must do what God tells us to do. We must leave all the impossible to God. Finally, we read that God closed the door. Genesis chapter 7, verse 16. It was God who shut the door, not Noah. One day, when God's kingdom time is over, God will close the door of salvation. The ark is a picture of Christ, his body, the church. Staying inside the ark will certainly be as inconvenient as living in a church where you have to mingle with people who are different from you, and many will even rub off you. The ark was not convenient either, but at that time only one place on earth was safe. So is the church today. There were troubled people in the church. However, I like to be in the church. I hope you are happy too. That's why you want other people to come into you invites. When the water began to recede, Noah sent out a raven and a dove, depicting both body and soul. The crow did not return. The crow found the dead bodies of humans and animals and was happy to find them. In the same way, for those who live a physical life, this earth is a pleasant place. But the dove came back immediately, and it shows people who walk according to the Spirit. They do not feel at home in this carnal world, but they look forward to the return of God's people to the congregation. As soon as Noah came out of the ark, the first thing he did was build an altar to the Lord in which he offered a sacrifice of thanksgiving. Genesis chapter 8 verse 20. Putting God first and offering our gratitude to him is a good example for us to follow forever. Thank you for watching this message and God bless you all.